Today we're making a secret wood pendant. Cue intro. What's up guys, I'm Jacob here at Native Cinema Art, here to show you how to make cool woodworking projects without a lot of time, money, or space. And if you want to see more videos like this and help me make videos like this, start now by hitting the subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be making another secret wood pendant in a different style than I did the first one. If you want to see that video, I'll link it in the cards right now, and I'll also link it in the description below, so go check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. There you have it, guys. Another great secret wood pendant that also glows in the dark. A little bit. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it, comment down below, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on any other great videos. Also, I'm going to be starting something new where I give my viewers a little bit more control over what content that they see next. So I'm going to be doing a comment poll down below in the comments. Obviously, I'm going to give a list, a few options of different projects that I'd like to work on, or I think that you guys would like to see, and whatever one gets the most comments and my comment thread down below, that's going to be the next video. So you guys have until next Sunday, so that'd be Sunday the 19th, to comment with, and whichever one gets the most, that's going to be the next video that I do. But also don't forget to write your own comments, because I read and respond to every single one of them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.